once you take a, let's go. 1, 2, 7. And yeah, we just.
Maybe I won't do left hand in the party.
On upper, yeah.
Okay.
And you spin. Okay.
I love it.
In one shop, training for myself because I wanna build assets in.
I was gonna ask.
I also improving myself,
travel. Yeah.
developing myself. You know,
Yeah.
try with
I'm gonna see if we can get on this hotel. My sister, I don't have a sister, but 中文.
Oh.
Yeah, 你对吧? I say, well,
we celebrating.
yeah, first
That's
number.
amazing.
Well, first number today, you know.
Yeah.
Go along, so I was just kind of saw you walk by. I said, okay, you're a pretty thing around.
Oh, that's cool.
So I saw a thing nearby. I'm actually gonna go and check it out. It's called, I think it's called. I was looking at one place.
Seeing you is like you really like respectful and people like talk to you. So
and then so I just need to learn how to, you know, like escalate.
initiate, escalate. Yeah, we will do that.
So
That's good.
Maybe that's tomorrow. So you have the beef.
Yeah. Before any date, you know.
Oh.
But after training, on the first week, Sprite is good.
Sprite.
Yeah, so we have cool.
I don't know, me.
Okay.
Some people have after parties and stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah. What's your name?
Grace.
Grace. Pretty name.
From nightclub and what value you get back from salsa place, you know. Accept decision, don't make decisions. You need to call like and ask, you know, where we can pick you up or. So she was driving from Wilmington to Charlotte. You know, they save time. If a girl likes you here, she will go for same day bang, you know, same day lay. I mean, because like